All right, guys. Welcome to session 4. We are going to play Bao Zhu Zhao Fu, or whatever that is, to be honest with you. Kristen, our daughter, has a technique that she firmly believes in is a winning technique. And she's going to explain to me that technique, and I'm going to play it just like she tells me to. We're going to do 50-cent denom. We're going to do $50 or 50 credits, which is $25 a spin, and kind of go from there, and then we'll just play with it if we need to. So, let's do the damn thing.
What we did.
It's good. It's recording you right now as we speak. So welcome to the video. I'm glad you're going to join us. All right. So Kristen's going to explain to me what's your technique. What's your technique here, Kristen? Tell me. The winning technique.
I don't know how well it's going to work because it's not the exact machine. But if you click it, the moment you get a rocket, keep clicking it really fast. Don't stop. The rockets will keep coming.
Okay.
That's how it works when I play it.
She has a hat, and I'm going to go to Windstar and become a millionaire because I know the hat now.
It's not a hat.
All right, let's do the damn thing. If I get a rocket, I'm going to...
Yeah, keep... See?
That's just extra spins.
But if you keep
it costs me $25 every time I hit that button.
I don't bet $25.
I know.
That's your own
I thought
fault.
you literally had some. That's just fast. That's just called fast spinning.
I don't bet $25.
I would have went.
That was a $1,000 spin.
I would have went broke if I'd have listened to that technique. That's all right. Good idea though. Of course, it's going to give you more rockets.
$25 when I was first telling you your own.
Well, I know, but it doesn't matter.
You're betting $1. It's not costing you $1. It's costing you 12. For the 12 rockets.
It's not my money that I bet though.
Well, I know, but all right.
You got fast spin.
Oh, we worked. You're right. It worked.
So funny. Hilarious.
Her technique worked, everybody. So just in case you want to come to Vegas,
Hit the button really fast. You get the most rockets.
hit it really fast. And even if you see that number going down really fast, it doesn't matter. You're getting a rocket.
It goes back up pretty quick. I've never seen one with 4 though.
Let's get another pop. I don't know if you can do another pop while you're in this.
Oh, that would be nice. They're all close to popping.
But I like this double. We need some bigger numbers. Uh-oh, that was not a good spin. There we go, double that one. Well, don't crap out on me. I used the technique.
You had a hack.
Oh no. We did not shoot our short right there. The technique had me all fired up. I'll tell you though, we started at, what do we start with? $10,063? So we're winning a little. I'm gonna get this technique. You're right, it does. It keeps giving me rockets. That numbers. All right. If y'all are wondering, there's how you spend about $250 worth of rockets. No comment, Kristen?
No.
Dang, I thought it was I was excited about
This also isn't the machine I play.
I was excited about the hack.
It's not a hack, it's a technique.
It's a very
It's not
expensive technique at $25 to spend.
I don't spend $25 to spin.
Well, I know, but all right, double pot. No. These firecrackers, these are perceived progressives, just so we know. So that doesn't mean you're going to hit. These firecrackers have gotten me before.
Yeah, that made for a rough ride home.
That did make for a rough ride home. I thought I could do $100 spins real quick, and we may step up to $50 spins though. And I said, yeah, it didn't. Let's step up to $50 spins. All right, $50 bet. Since they're ready to pop. I'm not going to use Kristen's technique on this one though. Because that technique could get really expensive really fast at $50 to spin. Guys, I hope you are checking the description of the video. It's showing where we're at on our $50,000 journey. So far, we're doing pretty good. That could turn around in a heartbeat. Oh, here we go. No. Triple pot. Triple pot would be pretty cool. Oh, here we go. It's off. Nothing? We're gonna get a little smoother at our videos. I feel pretty good about it, confident. The first couple videos, obviously you can tell we're a little nervous, trying to figure it out. The real Bretsky kind of stepped in there too, and
Yeah, that kind of
it's really hard to start a YouTube channel next to an expert in the YouTube channel business. Be like me out there playing catch with Brody, and Tom Brady shows up and wants to play catch, so I'd be a little nervous about that. Oh, I should have went wrong. You're right. I did mess that up. Patrick Mahomes, because he's way better than Tom Brady anyways. All right, we're going south pretty quick. We sure would need to get a decent bonus here pretty quick. I'm gonna go to 8,000 on 50, and then we may drop back down, or we may. I'm not a real big fan of this machine, so we may change machines. But
It's really hit or miss, and you kind of got to get lucky.
No, now you tell us. It was a for sure.
yeah,
I never said it was.
like,
I never said it was for sure. I said it's worked for
Oh, a
me.
minor. How much is a minor? That's $1,000 minor. All right, guys. We had a little camera malfunction, but that's all right. We switched over to Spooky Link, a volatile game, so all or nothing game. So let's see what happens. We may have that up. Turn that down just one notch. Doing $25 spins. No, here we go. Come on. Well. Well, that would luck her a lot or the rise, so blue would be blue. So you needed a diamond right there on that luck has arrived one. Three free games. It's not an automatic when you get all three colors, but it helps the cause. This can be a tougher game. It could be a little harder to get to. It's a little more volatile. Got a $91,000 grand, $17,000 major. That's a pretty big major. $5,000 maxi. $1,000 minor and a $500 mini. We're on 50 cents a time. That'd be a decent, $65. That's the first winning spin we had. Not a whole lot of line plays in this one. You mainly bank on the bonus. So nobody got anything y'all want to talk about, or?
Oh, sorry, I was looking at the storm we had back home. Thank goodness you put more new speed out.
I know.
So we got a pretty good downpour.
Is it storming right now?
It is storming, and then I gotta start taking the camera for the
Bomb.
Come on, I need a diamond. I need a diamond. Really? It's 2 in a row we missed? Oh, here we go. We got it. Free game.
The fireplace.
All right, 6 free games here. We'll just edit in our shorts this time. That way we don't have to keep doing that other one.
Look, they have the Princess Diana exhibit.
We almost went to that.
Really? Brady. Can we try and go to this?
Possibly.
Huh?
Possibly. All right, we got the red one. Bonus and with bonus. Check out the YouTube for a full session. All right, we need diamonds. There we go. Gotta get some diamonds. There we go, at least one. Oh. Well, that's pretty good increase.
And what happens if you get all the way to the top?
It just grows. His square grows bigger. We're at 300 bucks. 4 more diamonds. Let's just get it now. There we go. There we go. 3 more diamonds, even better. We're at $700 right now. Either 50 cents or diamonds. There we go. That's pretty good. We get, what, 2 or 3 extra spins? I can't remember exactly. 6 spins to get 3 diamonds. 2 diamonds, you're right, correct. All right, come on, diamonds. There we go. There we go. We got it. We have Casper the Friendly Ghost here. All right. 6 to get 3. Let's just get them. $150. Did we find that funny? All right, we're at 1,650 bucks. 2 more diamonds. Come on, diamonds. Hey, 250 bucks right there you just gave us. Come on, 2 more diamonds. There it is. All right, so far we're at a little over 2,500 bucks. A major or maxi would be really nice. You know, why are you finding that so funny? All right. Diamond. Not much action on that one. 2 to get 2. Uh-oh. We gotta get 2 diamonds here to stay alive. Well, we got 1. It's not bad. 3,500 bucks, 3,350 bucks, something like that. 3,450. I'm terrible at math for you. Get a little bonus. Oh yeah, we're still in the. I forgot we're still in the bonus. It seems like it's going awfully fast. Like it's giving me enough, though, doesn't it? Not a bad little bonus. 3,500 bucks on a $25 bet.
Look at all this honey that's definitely not haunted by a vengeful spirit.
Can you see it? All right.
Check out Crystal over here.
Let me get this. Get this hand pay or the self pay done real quick. Oops, I guess I typed in my number wrong. All right, let's change. Let's see what we got here on dollar denom. What our minimum? All right, let's go some $50 bets. You know how I got to do that, right?
It was working so well. We're just gonna change it on up.
We'll call it a $10,000 floor. Maybe book the win on this session on $10,000. $50. No, I can't say it's max bet. It's not max bet, but it's $50 bet. We're gonna call it a $10,000 floor and then book the win. How does that sound to you?
I think it's a great idea. Just don't get to 10,000.
I agree. Let's not get there. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The wide variety of people in Vegas.
There's a wide variety of people in Vegas.
I could just sit around and people watch.
Oh, here we go. Let's get it. Did you get a diamond? We need a diamond. There we go. We got the green. Oh no, we got the jackpot. Well, we got at least $1,000 here. All right, you want to pick?
I will.
Oh, that would be a good
I
one.
picked a good one.
That was not a good one.
Sister, go.
Minor's a good one.
Oh.
Major's even better.
Boom. Don't fail it.
Oh, don't fail it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you gotta put it on me.
I don't want to pick.
You're up, Kristen.
Firecracker.
Minor, $2,000.
Jackpot. That's pretty good.
That's $2,000 we can go shopping with, right?
That's $2,000 to the good.
I feel like that's a $2,000 shop street. It's off. You can take that. You good?
Says, wait.
I don't know why I didn't have it up all the way.
I thought you had to have the admin people.
All right, here we go. That's another $2,000. We're gonna call it a, what do you want to call it, $11,000 floor? We'll call it
In
11.
Vegas, at some of the groups, some of the like Highlander groups and stuff, you can set up as an auto pay or a quick pay where they just calculate it all on the computer.
Oh, and it just adds back into it?
Let's just get another bonus before we get to our $11,000 floor. Oh, here we go. Let's get it again right quick. We need a diamond. Come on, diamond. Come on, diamond. Come on, diamond. There we go. We got the green. Oh, we got.
I love that you're whispering.
Well, I know, but
Great anyway.
we got some, we're trying to keep our sessions around 20 minutes. So, there we
You
go.
asking what the time was.
No, I'm asking to see.
He was doing charades, and I had to like think about how.
Hey, that's,
You didn't know how to read military time, or did I just show
I
you?
know how to read military time. All right, we need 3 more diamonds. These are dollars, by the way. These are not 50 cents.
He wants to make fun of me on my vocabulary.
There we go. We got our 2.
Senses.
I'll be honest, I got that from Vegas, man, because they say it all the time, and now it's just an antic that I can't get rid of.
As in cents.
Yeah, for 10 cents. It makes it crazy because he gets on to me about what my.
All right, we got 3 to get 4. Oh no, we're not getting anything.
I don't think I've ever heard him say senses. I would have made fun of him a long time ago for that.
Well, no, but it's $1,300.
So why is this one the smaller amount as the first one?
These are dollars.
No, I'm saying like the amount of ghosts that you can fill up.
Oh, that was just because we didn't get the diamonds. All right, we're still gonna want to do a $12,000 floor. Okay. $12,000 floor. That'd be a good win to book.
Hey, Mom's lucky number was 13 this morning.
Was it?
So we're at.
Newspaper horoscope.
I don't remember what ours were.
And it was supposed to be my week. Which ultimately me shopping.
Well, you can go shopping.
On your senses?
My dad's
We got jokes today, huh?
Sure. I have
need a
jokes
lot of
every day. A lot of senses.
Yeah, you can have my senses. Let's try not to get to our $12,000 floor. That would be nice. We need a bonus here. We're not going to get to our 12. Oh, look, I bumped our camera. Sorry, camera. Sorry, people. We need a bonus if we're not going to get to our $12,000 floor.
Did we take all that money?
Brady, I'm surprised you're not a person that like caresses the screen.
I do in Oklahoma. Not the screen.
The way that he caresses his red stem when he gets them in when we're in Oklahoma. I have to give him privacy.
Really? All right, we got. Oh, come on. Come on, let's get this. Oh, sure, got 3 games there.
It's because he loses his senses when he gets here.
We got about 4 more spins.
Some of the things that people do, though, it is so.
Oh, look at there, we got it.
I told you the blue one was coming.
Mo symbols.
Those symbols, no money.
These are dollars again. Dollars of these.
Dollary.
Not senses.
Oh, come on, let's get some diamonds here. Don't leave me hanging.
We're making that dangerous way past my bedtime.
We had to do something pretty amazing.
That behind us is legit like cable service sitting right next to them.
Yeah, I see that.
How do we get that?
All right, come on, we need diamond. Hey, we got it.
Coke or anything. We didn't drink, but find a table that you can spread the listening from.
More diamonds. Oh, that would have been a good one. All right, 2 to get 3. Well, that wasn't a very good one. 1 to get 3. Let's see how possible that is. All right, $1,100. All right, we'll keep it at the $12,000 floor. How's that sound?
Right now.
You want to up or bet to 100, or you want to stay where we're at?
Stay where we're at.
Okay. Oh, now would be a good one to hit. Are you getting tired? I am too.
It's 11 o'clock back.
Is it? What's it? It's only 8:30 here, isn't it?
9:06.
Yeah. All right, we're not gonna get to that $12,000 floor though. That'd be a good one to hit. That grand would be nice, 91,000. Well, let's not get to the $12,000 floor, but it looks like we're steadily marching towards it, aren't we? Got about what, 6, 7 more spins? Oh, I feel like that had to be something. Got 4 more spins. All right, let's book it.
All right, where'd you start?
I think we are up 2,000 on this session. Isn't that right?
I don't know where you started.
I think we're at 2,000, up 2,000 on this session. All right.
All right. You want to be in my location? Start.
Can you see me? All right, guys. That's session 4 in the books. Up 2,000. I will, again, in the description of the next video, it'll be updated on what our status is. Please like, share, and subscribe so we can start playing table games as well. Thanks for watching. Remember, scared money don't make money.